Hey kids, today we're playing a fun quiz. Tell me, which one is healthy and which one is unhealthy? Are you ready? Let's begin. Our first item is a juicy apple. Is it apple healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Apple contain antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, and several other nutrients. Is this cupcake healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Cupcakes are delicious but often high in sugar and fats. Is this yogurt healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Plain yogurt is rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics. Is this green avocado healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Is burger healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. Burgers are high in calories, fats, and salt. Is fish healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is healthy. Fish is an excellent source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, various vitamins, and minerals. Are French fries healthy or unhealthy? The correct answer is unhealthy. French fries have too much oil and salt. Good job! Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you. Bye.